Welcome to Toon TV Adventure.
Once a crow was returning from his friend's village. It was a very hot day. The sun was hot. It seemed as if the sun was showering fire flames on the surface of the earth. The cow kept flying for a long time. He was very thirsty. He started flying here and there in search of water, but he was disappointed when he could not find a single drop of water. The heat made him more tired and thirsty. He was too thirsty to go. It was a pitiful situation for him. He prayed to God for some water. Suddenly, his eyes fell on the pitcher under a tree. He came down and looked inside the pitcher. He was very happy to see that there was water in the pot. Thank God, my prayer has been granted, he said to himself. He bent down to quench his thirst, but he could not reach it with his beak. There is water, the crow tried again and again, but could not reach the water with his beak. Then he tried to overturn the pitcher, but his strength was not up to the task. How can I drink the water? Said to himself. He was dejected. How unlucky I am! Even after getting water, I cannot drink, he thought. But the crow was very clever. He saw that some pebbles were scattered near the pot. Seeing the pebbles, a thought came to his mind. He flew to the pebbles and picked one of them up and dropped in the pitcher. He continued his work of picking up pebbles and putting them in the pebble one by one. Slowly, the pot was filled to the brim. The crow's attempt was successful. Now he could drink water from his beak. The crow drank water to its full, thirsty, quenched his thirst, and flew away with joy. Moral: necessity is the mother of invention.
हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो को हासिल करने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। शुक्रिया।